Now it's slowly bringing up the RPMs, getting those turbochargers spinning. The smoke will get a little bit darker as the RPMs come up. And like I said, when it turns black, these guys will throw smoke probably 40 feet straight in the air. Davey Moore, Boonesboro, Maryland, the agitator, John Deere, looking for black smoke. It's getting a little darker. And he got it. Up there right past that 250-foot mark. Now the officials decide if we want to leave this place set at that wind setting. We want to make it heavier or lighter. As you can tell, boy, you got a hold of that track out there. It's going to take him up Maryland. He's at the spin right.
You're going to look at one more tractor. Dave Moore dropped the bottom of the class.
I'll tell you what, it's good to see you again. I'll tell you. Okay, the green flag for John Thomas. Boy, he didn't get them RPMs up where he wanted them. In that 100-foot mark, wheel standing, two-wheel drive trucks here as well. Looks like John's ready to go. He finally got it into gear. He hopes he wanted it in. John Thomas will bring her out harder this time, I would imagine. Well, I tell you what, Jim never got the RPMs I was expecting out of that tractor. And probably he had it in the lowest gear that he had. A lot of these guys all the gears out of the transmission, except for maybe 1 or 2 gears. And looking for black smoke. That's what these guys look for.
We're going to look at one more tractor and make a decision.
Here's a guy, I'll tell you what, with a good run. Look out for this John Deere. Tommy Martin, the Dairy Deere out of Chambersburg.
The sled set, John Thomas with Deere Power went 191.3, and Bobby Martin on the Dairy Deere had a full pull.
Beautiful looking silver bullet t-shirts. And I'll tell you what, if you've never seen a silver bullet run, you are in for a treat tonight. Jordan Lustig is here. The green flag for Larry Schultz. Belleville, Ohio, the Iron Dragon, the John Deere machine. Them guys kind of darken everything when they run, don't they? Yeah. I tell you what, it takes a lot of smoke. You got to put a lot of fuel in there. You put a lot of fuel in the Ray Lynch, a little bit louder. That's the one turbo.
Larry Shope went 281.5.
His run, hoping to make a full pull and force Bobby Martin into a pull-off. Ray Lynch, out of Platt, Pennsylvania, the John Deere called Going Bouquet. In the hole should be Leon Overhalser. Get the distance of Ray Lynch.
Ray Link went 279.2.
For Todd Wendt. out of Tawnytown, Maryland. Anybody's interested in buying a Silver Bullet t-shirt, they're on sale right back at the Sempico tent back there because Sempico does sponsor the Silver Bowl. So check them out, and if you win one, it's the wrong size, take it back here to them guys. They'll exchange it for the size that you want. I win it. He got the last move. Let's see what he can do. He probably wished he had that a little bit lower gear. Boy, I'll tell you what, just ran it right out of power. Todd went out of Tawnytown, Maryland. I expect a little bit more out of Todd than that. Another one of these Martin tractors coming down the sideline.
The distance for Todd Went was 224.2. 224.2.
The first red tractor. What's the International going to do? This will be the first guy in this place doing them brand new puller tires on. Well, I tell you what, you can look at them tires and tell. Right there, that 250-foot mark, so we still got John Deere, #1. But if you look at them new tires, you can see how much more square them tires are. The edges of them, and I'll tell you what, they're very hot here. That also makes a full pull.
Distance for Randy Devon was 256 even, 256.0.
It could happen. Yeah, we'll see. The green flag for Robert Martin, That Darn Deere. Get out of these diesel tractors. You know, a diesel engine is a lower RPM engine. You know, you get a diesel and you can just turn about.
Robert Martin went 263.5.
You can see you got the two stacks on there running the 4 turbochargers under the hood. And I'll tell you what, I know this tractor can run, but all these changes he made, it's just a whole new deal. Is he going to bring it out right? Does he have it weighted right? That we'll know in a little while. Henry Everman. I know it's not going to be the winning run, but he got to feel pretty good about that. Said I'm going to put some extra weight on the front end. He said because of these tires, he said I don't know how much air pressure to put in the tires. It's a little bit different driving style. It seems to be working for him. So
distance for Henry Everman was 264.0.
East Earl, Pennsylvania. AC D21. Well, wild ride. He probably wishes he had about another 200 pounds on the front end. Well, when you get it that high in the air, what that does is the drawbar drops in height. Front end comes up, the drawbar goes down. To keep it cool, and also without water.
Leon Oberholzer went 224.6. 224.6.
Makes horsepower. Well, these guys go through 3 gallons of water per run, plus all the diesel fuel. Right now, Tommy Wilkerson. Boy, get a little warm up there towards the end. He was just a little bit front end heavy. He should have about 50 pounds. All on the front end, on the back end. A little bit of fire coming out of the
Tom Wilkinson went 247.4. 247.4.
Distance right there. I'll tell you what, a sharp looking tractor, no doubt about it.
Kevin Danback went 238.2. 238.2.
Okay, green flag. Josh Martin in the hole. Davey Moore. Getting ready to build up the RPMs in the John Deere. I'll tell you what, if he gets as many RPMs out of this as what his dad and his brother does, this will be another screamer, I'll tell you.
Davey Moore broke and was unable to come back in the class. This will be an exhibition run by Jordan Lustig.
Dad Rich does a lot of the work on the tractor as well. The two of them, they work together out there. A nice shop out there, and they have the machinery to build their own. Pretty much anything out there. Okay, waiting for the green flag. Jordan Lustig, the Senpico sponsored Silver Bullet. The V8 cat alcohol burning diesel. Just listen to the sound and just watch it. It's unbelievable.